tell you, crowd, I have been mobbed with this thing, trying to get her going. You see my last video, I was going to use electric fuel pump. Don't do that in this thing. These little pumps work for something like a little grass cutter or maybe a little truck, little pickup truck, get around the yard or something like that. They do not work for pushing fuel through here, which I didn't know if they would or not, but figured I'd try it. Hooked this old high pressure pump out of my 89 F-150. She, of course, hooked her right up and got power to her. But I went ahead and did away with all the fittings. All I've done is been working for a couple hours. Tore a brand new pair of pants, cut my leg, so I'm happy about that. And I got rid of that. Where is it? This thing here. I drilled this out. Well, I didn't drill it, I just ripped it apart. I got that thing for different junk I was tempting here, but this is an old vacuum pump I took off. It's right aftermarket. Kind of, she wasn't working too good, but I'm pretty sure this is the original one. No, this ain't the original one. This is the original one. I carried the 3 on the boat, but anyway, this one here, I jig welded her back together, held up, but she leaked out this little hole right there. So I took her off here and did away with her. I got to fix one little gas leak on this line right here. That's the fuel line to the carburetor. Tighten these lines up. I got that tightened so tight to get her to seal. The old O-rings were kind of shrunk from sitting for a while. They've been sitting right smart a long time, so I just went back to vacuum pump because I'm tired of being monked with these stupid electric bull crap. I'm just going to take the wires I made for the fuel pump and run them to a stern light because I got to put a stern light in this boat anyway. So I'm just going to have some wires for that now. But boys, I tell you, this thing has aggravated me to no end. And of course now the solenoid's completely quit. That's all it does. So I'm going to replace that. I still got to do a lot of work to this boat. Got to fix all these little ugly spots, plug all the holes on her. Just fiberglass work in the back of the well. Repair my pair of pants. And I'll be good. But so until then, this is part 2, I guess. Well, it's time for topside paint. Got some nice flat white we're going to put on her. Get rid of some ugliness here. There's some ugly spots, take some rust out of her. We'll go away from the name when we paint the name on her too. Go ahead and get the paint set up. Ready to go. And I'll spar storm coat. We're using today. So I used to paint the last boat I built. I really like the paint. Seems to be looking really good. Don't have much left, but we're going to see what we can do. As you hear, it's a super windy day today. It's the windiest winter I've ever seen. It's blowing about 45 right now probably. I got a little bit of wind block right here, but some rich turd ball all the land behind me. They cut all the trees down, so now we're getting destroyed kind of north wind. Let's see how the paint comes out. This is a real light coat of bottom paint, so go back over it, brush, touch it back up. It's nice seeing some bright white on her for once. Well, I'm gonna get to touching that bottom paint up here, and I'll catch y'all later. Looks a lot better. Touched up the paint that was missing on the water line. Painted that too, so it kind of matches a little better. Looks a lot better on mine. Still got to do all this, paint the inside, clean the inside, put a new washboard on her. Not a big washboard, but just a smaller one. Refasten this down. Patch all the holes. Yeah, it looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. Didn't ever coat a paint on her, didn't ever coat a bottom paint still. Probably do most of that one's on the trailer, so I'm not killed trying to get behind this stupid scrap trailer and bend over all day long. Can't wait to get this inside done. Heck, I'm just ready to have the boat done in general. She needs a lot of work still. Still gotta make a column table. Got painting it. You gotta paint around the name and repaint the name. Looks a lot better though. Pretty flare bow. Ain't bad looking. Yeah, that house looks a lot better since I put that wind block on there and painted it, matched the color a little bit. It just stuck out like a sore thumb. I wasn't really going to do that, but I just couldn't take the way it looked. Still got a silicone in here. Put a patch right here. Take a little bit more on top of that plexiglass that's on her. A lot of stuff needs done. But I'm getting there slowly. She's coming along. Well, here's the rest of the list we got to do. Got to paint the inside the boat, do the navigation lights, mount the pool bar down, column table. Got to build that. I'll probably do a video on that. I might not, but I'll probably try to. Do the trailer springs, finish the trailer lights, new tires on the trailer, do the washboard, plug the screw holes, fix the leak on the right side of the well back there, and do the well hatch. And I believe we're getting pretty much close to where she's ready to go. So stay tuned, you cried, and we'll get to her directly. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.